Hello people, welcome back to my channel Cynthia's Charm Tarot, and do like, share, subscribe my channel here. And today I am going to make the most requested video of all time, that is, when will this coronavirus end and the world will get free from coronavirus. Okay, so today I am going to make this video on coronavirus. We will see the general predictions on coronavirus, when this disease will get vanished from the world and when things are going to return to normalcy. So this is a general reading and it can apply to your country and area, or it cannot apply to your country or area. Okay, so basically this reading is about the ongoing disease pandemic in the world, and I'm gonna do a reading on this. I have done many readings on the past diseases also, when my clients reach out to me to know when their ailment will get finished or when the things will get fine. I have already done some readings on that. If you also want to claim your free reading, you can email me on the email given in the description box. If you are on Instagram, you can DM me there. There also I give free readings. Okay, so this is effort from my side to know through tarot when this pandemic is going to leave the world and make our lives better soon. All right, the energy in the cards is very swift, impulsive here. So the first card that I have here, people, is the Eight of Wands over here. So can you see how forcefully these wands are thrusted right into the picture of the card? So this virus, this is the past of the virus. It's not the present, but it's the past. How this virus just came into our lives uninvited. So I have the Eight of Wands. So I'm going to draw some cards over here, and then I'm going to see the general prediction when this coronavirus is going to leave us forever or not. Oh my God, definitely. See, this is the beauty of tarot cards, because you get what is right, and what is asked for, you get that thing without anything extra. So I have the Five of Pentacles over here. I can see disease, I can see impairment, I can see suffering over here. Definitely when this virus came, it has done much bad to the world. It has done much of its harm to the world. It has left people in disease, in suffering. Many people have died because of this. And can you see the man over here? It definitely has brought a lot of depression and anxiety into our lives, and people still are struggling with this disease somewhere or there, you know. It has definitely taken a toll on the finances also. We have seen world economies going down in slumber. Can you see this first figure over here with its head down, moving forward? This is showing how a man cannot move forward, and you know, he's lost somewhere in his own mind, because because of the fact this virus has given a lot of anxiety and depression. And the other man definitely is represented by the one who has been affected and bedridden because of the coronavirus. So I have the disease and suffering card right here on my table. Let us see when the potential of this coronavirus, how strong it is still. Oh my God, the Hierophant. Definitely this is a teacher card, and this virus has definitely taught us a lot of things. It has made us learn a lot of things as humans that we have not learned before. This definitely, coronavirus had made us all so much spiritual and so much God-minded and God-fearing, and we have all been better acclaimed with the power of nature, what nature can do. So definitely I can see this coronavirus has taught us a lot. It has given us suffering, but at the same time, with the Hierophant card here, it has taught us a lot, and it has taught us with the Taurian energy and the Taurus energy over here that some things are fixed, and if humans try to change them, then definitely nature takes its own course. Let us see more about this coronavirus. This is a reading for the whole world. I'm not making for one country, for one people, or for the people of one sign, but for the entire human community. So I have the Page of Wands. Definitely there is something new is definitely on the cards. With this card I can only say this much. The Page of Wands, definitely many new things were invented just because of the coronavirus. Now the past being done, let us see. This was the past over here. It definitely brought a lot of suffering in our lives. It taught us something. We had seen the invention of many new technologies to combat this virus, and I can see this uninviting nature of virus penetrating deep into our human lives. So I have done the past reading, and let me see the present, what this coronavirus has the potential for the present. Four of Pentacles, definitely it is such a stubborn and possessive virus that it's not loosening its hold. It just has humanity under its feet tightly, and it's grasping us, grasping the world. The Queen in the center is represented for the world. So the man here holding is definitely holding us tight underneath his feet and between his arms, and the attention is definitely, coronavirus is definitely seeking the topmost attention here right now, because the Queen is placed at the head, and this virus, you believe, if you believe or not, is definitely on heads of everyone, in the minds of everyone. It clears me that many of you want to know about this, want to know when will it get over. I have this card, Five of Swords. So I can sense here that people are eager to get back to their previous lives, and people want normalcy here right now. Let me see more for the present prediction of coronavirus, the potential. Oh my God, I have the Star card here. This coronavirus definitely has something to do with the countries that have water near them. Maybe it is still prevalent in those countries who have sea or water nearby them in large amount. This can mean so, or it is also meaning, it is also giving a message out here to you people, my viewers, that we should be having patience and we should be having hope, because this coronavirus is bringing about inspiration in us. And the Star card is here to believe in ourselves and have faith in the good. Who knows if the end of this coronavirus becomes good or leads us to something good in the end. So who knows, because I can see the powerful inspirational card here in this, in the present of coronavirus. The good news is here because I can see this virus leaving us soon. But let us see once more what this virus has for our future. I can see it leaving soon. But when? Let us see. The Emperor card. This is going to leave us, but it is going to teach us also at the same time. When it will leave us, this is for sure that when this virus will leave us, it will leave us in a very forceful way. It will be gone at all once. In a once it will be gone. And we will be mind boggled to find that it's no more. The future of this pandemic is definitely telling us to take that one leap of faith and just believe in the good. Let me see more. Five of Wands. Maybe this can mean that some countries in the future or some groups in the future will fight among themselves because of this coronavirus. I can see blame game going on here. I can see some countries fighting each other just because of the fact if this virus causes a delay in vanishing, then I can see a blame game and a fight game starting here in the future. Let me see more in the future of coronavirus. I have the Lover's card over here. So definitely, and from the bottom of deck, I have this Temperance card over here. So we need patience at this time. We definitely need patience at this time. With the Lover's card, it doesn't mean finding love in the pandemic time. It just means that there is going to be equal give and take in the future. Somehow, some sort of equal give and take in the future. I can see this virus leaving the world within completely, if I say completely, within 2 more years, because of the fact I have the things coming to normal in 2 years, because I can see the number 2 over here on the cards. So I have also the other card from bottom of deck is the Chariot card, the Cancer energy over here. This virus is definitely going to leave us emotional, sensitive, emotionally, vulnerable in the end. But I can see something new in the future soon. See, happiness cards come afterwards. I have a lot of happiness cards later in the future, but for right now, we need to have patience. Patience is the key word here. We need to believe in ourselves. Okay, we just don't need to fight in the future, because future of this pandemic demands us to take that leap of faith, and the future is also demanding equal give and respect among humans. Future is demanding not to fight among ourselves as big nations. Future is demanding patience, moderation, balance from our side. And I can see when this virus moves away from the world, it is going to leave us fastly, in a rapid motion. It is going to leave us, because this is action card and I can see it moving and away from our lives for the better in about 2 years. So in about 2 years things will become better. I have 2 action cards over here, so this is quite soon if seen from the case of a pandemic. So this was my prediction on when will coronavirus end. If you liked it, please do subscribe to my channel, comment, like, share. You can email me for a free private reading on the email provided in the description box, and you can also follow me on Instagram. Bye bye for now.